My name is Mike Herndon with Bandera Country Collection in Bandera, Texas. So we have the Trotec Speedy 360, and we've had it for about 6 months. It's been really easy. Chris did an excellent job training us when he left it, and we've not had any issues at all. That was really easy. The Trotec is so much faster and our production time really went up. The main reason was the speed. And I just felt like with the space that we needed to put it in, that we'd get our best production out of it, and that holds true. We work with all kinds of materials from powder coat to wood to leather. We do home decor and personalization of gifts. I believe it's going to be the exotic wood, thin wood that we make earrings out of. If anybody was looking for a laser, a Trotec, head and shoulders above the rest.